Today, we're breaking down a slick command line to-do app built entirely with Python. If you've ever wanted to build one, this project is the perfect place to start.
Meet the Todo Console Application. It's a simple yet powerful tool for managing daily tasks.
So yeah, it covers all the basics you'd expect right from your terminal.
Okay, but it's the advanced features that make this more than just a simple script.
Let's check out 3 key features that give this app some serious power. First up, persistence. Your to-do list is saved even after you close the app, which is huge. You can also set up recurring tasks, and the app just automatically handles creating them for you.
And it even has reminders, so you'll get a notification when a task is actually due.
So how is this thing actually built? Let's pop the hood and take a look.
You can see the code is super organized. Each file has a clear job, which is great practice.
And check this out. The language breakdown is pretty interesting, with a lot more shell scripting than you'd expect.
Okay, let's get this thing running on your machine. Seriously, it's just 3 simple steps and you'll have the whole project installed and ready.
All you'll need is Python 3 and a tool called UV for managing dependencies. And once it's installed, managing your tasks is super easy with these intuitive commands.
So really, this whole project is a fantastic template you can use for your own stuff.
It's a great starting point for sure. So what's the first feature you would add to it?